Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in our today's video. Today we will be talking about 5 mudras which we should do daily. Okay? 5 best mudras which we should do daily and which are very beneficial. Okay? What are mudras? Let us first listen about that or know about that. Okay? Mudras are hand gestures which helps to channel the flow of prana or life force, or which is also called as energy flow in our body. So let us discuss the 5 best mudras that we should use daily. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here you can see this is our Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page we have shared many acupressure points, mudra related posts and also about color therapy posts. Okay, do check it out. So let us start. Okay, the first one is Praan Mudra. Now how we have to do this Praan Mudra? For doing Praan Mudra, what we will do, with the help of our thumb, we will join the tip of our thumb with the ring finger and the small finger like this, and our middle and our index and middle finger will be straight. Okay, with both hands we will do the same thing. We'll join the tip of our small finger and ring finger with the tip of our thumb, and both this index finger and the middle finger will remain straight like this. This is called as Praan Mudra. Okay, we'll place this like this on our lap. You can do it like this mudras, you can do it anywhere. Okay, like while sleeping you can do it, while sitting, while doing anything, like reading. If you are reading something and you are not using your hands, okay, are you reading like this, then you can completely do it. You just need to do this mudra and sit comfortably. Okay, or if you are watching TV, if you are doing any such thing in which your hands are free, then you can do this mudras, any kind of mudra, not specially this one. So let us talk about benefits of doing Praan Mudra. This mudra helps to improve our immunity. It helps to reduce tiredness and it makes you feel more and more energetic. It balances our body energy. It helps to reduce any kind of deficiencies. If you are having vitamin deficiencies like vitamin B12 deficiencies or vitamin D deficiencies, any kind of vitamin deficiencies if you are having, then you can do this mudra. It will help for that. Okay, as I have said, in most cases, like what happens, like we eat very nutritious food. Okay, we eat full nutritious food, full nutrient food, but what happens, our large intestines, they do not absorb the nutrients in them, and the nutrients come back outside as it is. They are not absorbed properly in our body. Because of that, sometimes we face deficiencies of vitamins in our body. So to cure this problem, you can use this mudra. It will help for that. It also helps to reduce blockages in our body. If you are having any kind of blockages anywhere in your body, then you can use this mudra. If you are feeling stressful, or if you are like, what we can say, not in the mood, proper kind of mood, and you are very stressful, very anxious if you are feeling, then also you can do this mudra. It improves blood circulation and it also detoxifies our blood. So if you are having a problem of numbness or like cramps and pains in your body, then also you can use this point. It is you can use this mudra. Or if you are having any kind of heart or lung problem, or if you want to make your heart and lungs strong, then also you can do this mudra. It cures all kind of eye disorder. It is helpful for your vision issues, and it also helps for any kind of skin disorders. If you are having any kind of skin diseases, you can use this mudra. Helps in cancer, asthma, paralysis, bronchitis. It even helps to cure dengue fever. So if you are having dengue fever, or if you are having cancer problem, or if you want to prevent yourself from cancer, you can do this mudra. If you are having paralysis issue, bronchitis issue, asthma issue, then also you can do this mudra. This was Praan Mudra, the number 1. We'll be talking about second mudra, which is Gyan Mudra. So how to do Gyan Mudra? To do Gyan Mudra, what we will do is, we'll just join the tip of our index finger with the tip of our thumb. This is Gyan Mudra. We'll do with both the hands, and we'll place it on our lap. Doing it while meditation gives you very great results, but you can do it, like as I have said, for Praan Mudra, you can do it anywhere, any kind, like you're doing anything, you can do this mudra, like while sleeping, while sitting, while you are walking, while you are doing anything, you can do this mudra in which your hands are free. But if you are doing it during meditation, then it will give you more better results. So let us know what are the benefits of Gyan Mudra. If you feel dullness in your mind, or if you are not feeling like very much enthusiasm in your body or in your life, or if you are feeling like you are not creative, you want to increase your creativity, you want to increase your mind strength or mind powers, then you can do this mudra. This Gyan Mudra, Gyan in English means knowledge. To improve knowledge, to gain very knowledge, you can do this mudra. Okay. You can also do this mudra if you are having any kind of nerve disorders. Like if you feel you have neuropathy problem, you have nerve disorder problem, or if you have muscle disorder problem, mental retardation if you are having, Alzheimer disease if you are having, if you are having nerve weakness, if you feel lethargy, if you feel loss of memory, or if you feel drowsiness, then in all these situations you can do this Gyan Mudra. It will be very helpful in that situation. Talking about, so this was our Gyan Mudra. Now let us see the third mudra, which is Prithvi Mudra. Now, like how we can do this mudra, okay? For that, what we'll do, with the tip of our ring finger, we'll just place it on the tip of our thumb, like this, okay? This is called as Prithvi Mudra. In this, all the three fingers, which is the small finger, the middle finger and the index finger, will be straight, and the tip of our thumb and the tip of our ring finger will be joined together, like this. And we'll place it again on our laps. You can do it, like I said earlier, you can do it anywhere, like doing anything, walking, reading, talking, okay, you can do it. So let us talk about the benefits of this mudra. Prithvi Mudra itself says that it has earth. Prithvi means earth. So it will improve the earth element in your body. What all comes under earth element? Earth element, what we can say, it comes like power to hold. It gives color, it gives luster, okay? Like if you are having problem of hair fall, so power to hold, like to hold your hairs, okay? So like if you are having problem of hair fall, split ends problem, hair regrowth, if you are not having hair regrowth. Hair fall is pretty common, but if you are small hairs, you are not having small growth of hairs, then the main problem is there. So to increase your hair growth, or if you are having what we can say the problem of hair graying, premature hair graying problem, and you want the color of your hair again, then you can do this mudra. If you want to gain weight, then you can do this mudra. If you are thin, okay, if you are too much thin, and if you want to gain weight, then you can do this mudra. It helps to reduce diabetes, it helps to cure ulcers. It is also said a good mudra for like if you are having wounds, or if you are having fracture and if you want to heal from them, then you can do this mudra. If you are having lack of stamina, if you are having lack of stamina, osteoporosis problem, or if you are having problem of degeneration, inflammatory disease in your body, which mean like swelling or water retention in your body, edema kind of, then you can do this mudra. If you have fever like jaundice fever, then you can do this mudra. You are having dry, cracked skin, brittle nail problem, then also you can do this mudra. So this was Prithvi Mudra, the Earth Mudra, okay, it is also called as Earth Mudra. Now let us talk about the fourth mudra. This is Surya Mudra. Now how we need to do it? In Prithvi Mudra, what we have done is we have joined the ring finger with the thumb, right? But in Surya Mudra, what we'll do, we'll place the ring finger on the last joint or the base of the thumb, like this, and we'll just place our thumb upon it, okay? See it again. What we'll do with the ring finger, we'll place the ring finger on the base of our thumb like this, and then place the thumb above it, okay? So this is called as Surya Mudra, or which is also called as Fire Mudra, Agni Mudra, okay? So this the name itself says that it increases fire element in our body. So fire element, what all things it helps? First of all, it will help to, if you want to do weight loss, you can do this mudra. This is best for that. Okay, if you want to do weight loss, this is best for that. If you are having thyroid issue, if you are having bad cholesterol issues, you can do this. If you want to increase your digestion, if you are having cold and issues related to that, cold cough problem, okay, you can do this mudra. If you are having cataract issues and because of digestion, if you are feeling like constipated, okay, if you are having constipation problem because of indigestion problem, then you can do this mudra. It also helps to rejuvenate our liver. Okay, so if you are having any kind of, like, what exactly we can say is, like, if you are having any kind of cyst problem, okay, like fire helps to melt things. So if you are having any kind of cyst problem, if you have any kind of blockages problem, or what we can say, blockages, cyst, fibroids, stones problem, then also you can do this mudra. It is very best for that. Gives very good results for weight loss. So this was our fourth mudra, which was the Surya mudra. Let us discuss the fifth one, the Varun mudra. The Varun mudra, Varun as in water. So this is the water mudra. Let us know how we need to do this mudra. For that, what we'll do, with the tip of our small finger, we'll place the tip of our small finger with the tip of our thumb, like this. Okay, with both the hands we'll do the same thing and we'll place it on our lap. The benefits of doing the Varun mudra. Varun mudra especially increases water in our body. So if you are having problem like dehydration, okay, if you feel like, this is summer season, right, and most of people, we feel dehydrated, we drink a lot of water, but still if you are feeling dehydrated, then you can do this mudra. It will be great for you. Or if you feel like water loss in your body, like an example, if I can say, if you are having dry eyes problem, if you are having dry nose problem, if you are having dry throat problem, dry skin problem, like your skin, if you do like this, then you can see the rashes on your skin. That means your skin is dry. If you are having that issues, then you can do this mudra. Or your mouth is dry, in that situation also you can do this mudra. It gives glow to our skin, okay, and it also lubricates our skin. It gives luster to our skin and face. You can do this mudra in winters if you want to moisture your skin, okay. If you feel your skin is very dry during winters and if you want to give moisture to it, then you can do this mudra. If you are having degeneration of joint cartilage, then you can do this mudra. If you feel like eczema, psoriasis problem, or if you are having osteoarthritis, cramps problem, then you can do this mudra. If you are having scanty urine, like your urine is coming, but it is coming like a drop, or if you are feeling a burning sensation in your urinary area, okay, in your private areas, if you are feeling burning sensation, then you can do this mudra. In females, if they are having scanty period problems, their period is coming like really slow periods or really less periods, we can say, okay, then you can do this mudra. If you are having dry hair problem also, then you can do this mudra. It also helps to balance water in our body. So this was Varun mudra. Now we have discussed the 5 mudras. Which were the 5 one? The first one is Praan mudra. The second one was the Gyan mudra. Third was Prithvi mudra. Fourth, which was Surya mudra, and fifth one, which was the Varun mudra. Okay, the Praan mudra, it's as in it's the life mudra. It is best mudra, like you can do for any reason, you can do it. Okay, if you want to do mudra but you do not know which mudra I can do, then you can just stick with Praan mudra. It is the best mudra. It helps for our lungs and heart and things. Okay, the second one, which was the second one, the Gyan mudra, the knowledge mudra. It helps for brain. Okay, the third was the Prithvi mudra. It is for like hair fall, hair regrowth and things. It like increases the earth element in our body. The fourth was the Surya mudra, okay, which is also called as the fire mudra, Agni mudra. It helps to increase fire in your body. So if you are having diabetes and bad cholesterol, thyroid problem, indigestion problem, if you want to weight loss, then you can do this mudra. The fifth one, which was the Varun mudra, it increases water in our body. It is called as the water mudra. It balances water in our body. So I hope these things are clear with you all, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please, if you want such videos like on mudras, especially if you want more such videos on mudras, then please let us know so that we can make videos on mudras. Okay, thank you so much everyone. If you have found our video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you people.